Hello traders and investors. In this video, we are going to see a unique concept in Ichimoku, which will be a eye opener for you. In the market, since hundred of years, Ichimoku is being used, which is a Japanese technique, later used by Western world, and now it is famous in India also. There are 5 components in Ichimoku. One is Chikou span, Tenkan sen, Kijun sen, leading span A, leading span B. In this, 2 of these lines will travel with the price. Leading span will travel 26 periods ahead of the price, and Chikou span will travel 26 periods behind the price. Based on this 5 combination, market experts have designed several entry-exit methods. They will also say that this is one glance chart which predicts the future price movement. Some say time cycle is also included in this, Elliott wave is also included in this, and likewise there are many concepts in the market. For a layman to combine all these 5 and finding out a trending entry or a pullback entry or a breakout entry seems difficult. I don't know whether the market experts don't know the concept which I am going to reveal you now, or whether they don't want to reveal it. Okay, they are hiding the secret, either hiding the secret or they do not know till now. So this is going to blow your mind. We are going to use only 2 of these lines, and we are going to clearly find out trend and the exact pullback point in the trend. Okay, the secret is hidden in plain sight. We are going to unlock it now. Hello traders and investors. I am Haresh, SEBI registered research analyst. As a follower of the channel, kindly read and understand the following disclaimers. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Registration granted by SEBI and certification from NISM and enlistment in RAASB in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investors. I myself and or any related person and or associated person have no association in any manner with the recommended company and do not hold any financial interest, actual beneficial ownership of the shares, and not having any material conflict of interest in the recommended stock and the company. Market risk refers to either partial or permanent loss of your investment or portfolio in certain adverse condition or company events. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do not offer any return guarantee. All content in this channel is for educational purpose only. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763 999 3695. Let's have a glance about our courses. We are providing 3 courses. First one, value investing. Second one, momentum investing. And third one, momentum intraday, which is usable in 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. In value investing course, we are focusing on large cap stocks, identifying the market bottom and confirming the fundamentals, and then taking entry and booking it at a fixed target or trailing it for a longer target. In the momentum investing course, we will identify the momentum stocks in monthly time frame based on these triangles, and we can take entry in daily time frame as well as monthly time frame. In daily time frame, we will take swing entries, and in monthly time frame, we will take positional entries which will go up to 1 year to 1.5 years. Thirdly, in intraday, this is only specifically for stocks. This cannot be used for any other asset class. Here, in 1 minute time frame and in 5 minute time frame, we focus on better risk reward. In both the time frames, the stop loss is only one single candle. Based on the single candle entry, we will trial the target and we try to maximize the risk reward. We focus on minimum risk reward of 1:3 ratio in stocks. We are providing 1 week free demo for all our course and related indicators, which is created on TradingView. You can get the access for the indicator for 1 week and the basic entry exit rules for the courses in a video format. You can backtest it live test it. Once you gain the confidence about our courses, you can join the courses. For more details on trial and full access of our indicator and courses and other premium services, kindly contact us at this number. They will do the needful. Now, let's decode the secret. Ichimoku is a default indicator in TradingView chart. Go to the indicator, technicals, and type as Ichimoku. See, in default it will come as Ichimoku cloud. You just add it to the chart. Okay, now it is here. Here what we are going to do is, we are going to settings, and in style we are going to switch off these three lines. Conversion line, which is Tenkan Sen, baseline, which is Kijun Sen, and lagging span, which is Chico span. Okay, we are only keeping leading span A and leading span B for a clear visibility. Okay, now also there is no difference. Okay, somebody say this, using this cloud only the crossover can be traded. See here, in Nifty, in daily time frame, this buy crossover has given a huge points. Then there is a sell crossover, then there is a buy crossover. Okay, then there is a sell crossover. Okay, see this, here there is three pullback, but the buy and sell crossover are in zigzag sideways pattern, so we are not getting a clear directional move here. Okay, now here is a sell crossover. What we are going to do is, the simple setup change will give you a clarity. Go to settings, go to inputs now. First what we have done, we have gone to style and we have unticked these three settings. Now we are going to input, and in lagging span we are going to get it down to 1. Okay, see, I am reducing this, I am keeping it as 1. 1 is the minimum value, I am keeping it as 1. Now see, whenever the price is turning to sell or buy, first you have to wait, see the trend is changed to sell, the cloud has changed to pink. Whenever the trend is changing to bullish, you can see the cloud has changed to green. Now see, the exact bottom is nothing but this red color line. Whenever price coming to this bottom, you get a minimum stop loss exact bottom entry. See, entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, entry 4. This is election result. 2024 election result day also took support at the exact bottom. So what we are doing is, instead of 5 different lines, leading, lagging, same time, we are having here only 2 different lines, and the setup changes, instead of lagging we are changing it to 1. So what it is showing, it is showing you the clear trend change. Here the same breakout entry is also there, but the advantage is, if you are taking a breakout entry, your entry will be here and your stop loss will be here, so your risk reward will be not efficient. If you take the pullback entry, see here, your entry is 1 or 2 candles stop loss, and see the risk reward. You can easily get 3 to 5x risk reward with this setup. Okay, see here is the sell trend. Market changed to sell on September 2024. Then see the first pullback exactly at the top. See the second pullback exactly at the top. See the third pullback. Okay, now market break into the buy direction. Okay, now see, there is no exact pullback at the bottom. Then market turned to sell. See the exact pullback at top. Market turned buy, exact pullback at bottom, second bottom. Then market turned to sell. See, it is above the level. Once it enters into the level, we can enter. See, still the market is in sell. See the exact pullback area. Now the market has turned into bullish. See here, present market condition, the market has turned into bullish and it is taking support at the bottom zone. Okay, what we can do, we need not take a trade on the breakout. We wait for the cloud to change to green. Price will be breaking above the cloud. We wait for the pullback to the support level, the bottom support. Once it is tested and price is reversing inside, we can enter with a minimum stop loss for a maximum risk reward. Okay, let us see some examples in stocks. we are coming one by one only. Okay, we are in 360 degree, 361. We can also check this in weekly time frame also. It works in all time frame. See here in 361, this is the listing period, then there is a sell momentum, then the buy came. See what happened clearly. Once the buy came here, the exact bottom. What is your risk reward? See exact bottom. See exact bottom. Okay. Likewise, whenever the price is moving in your direction, you can find out the exact bottom. TABB. Market turned bullish here. See here an exact bottom in weekly time frame. The risk reward is very efficient. No, you will be getting 2 candle risk. See how much movement it has given. Let us see in AB Capital. See here. We are seeing stocks one by one randomly only. We are not seeing in selective stocks. See, market turned bullish, exact bottom moved, exact bottom moved. Sell, it has turned to buy. We can see in daily time frame also. It will work in daily, weekly, and monthly all time frame. Okay, see here in this bull run, market turned bullish. See, exact bottom. Okay, again see exact bottom. Okay, so this is the concept. I am explaining you once again. There is no need to confuse Ichimoku default settings because they are hiding something from us. See the clarity. Here we don't have exact bottom. We don't know what to do in this moment and in this moment. But in our setup, we know clearly what to do. Go to style, switch off these three, come to inputs, turn this into 1, click OK, see the clarity. What is the trend? What is the exact bottom? You can clearly identify and then take the entry. Okay. Because of the video size, I am completing this video here. In the next video, I will be giving you another additional support indicator to identify whether the price has reversed or not. Even though the price is touching the exact bottom, we need a confirmation of a oversold condition or a reversal condition for an additional accuracy. So what I am going to do is in the next video, which is going to be posted on next Friday, I will give you an additional indicator which will show you the price has bottomed out as well as the price has reversed or not. Okay, so that we can avoid the mistake trades like this. Here is a mistake trade. No, the price has touched the bottom, but it has not reversed. So in such situation, how to avoid this trade, I will be giving you next week. So please subscribe our channel, share it with your trading community, keep the notification on. I will be posting you unique strategies like this. You can also see 3 or 4 strategies I have already shared in our channel. Okay, all the strategies will be different from others. All strategies will be unique, very efficient and very accurate. So follow our channel, keep subscribed and keep the notification on. Thank you.